Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming at Mesa restaurant, which is a hidden gem in London. It's located on the 15th floor of the Hyatt, and this rooftop restaurant offers stunning views of the River Thames. We had a reservation booked for 10 p.m. They stay open until 2:30 in the morning every day, so you can enjoy a relaxed evening. Mesa isn't just about the food, but it's about the whole experience. The elevator was see-through, offering a stunning view as we ascended quickly to the restaurant. Thank you. Upon arrival, we were welcomed, our jackets were taken, and we were promptly shown our table. Originally, we were seated at a table by the window with regular chairs, but we really wanted to be next to the fireplace. So, when the couple left, the waitress kindly moved us for a more comfortable dining experience. At Mesa, you can enjoy delicious Lebanese food. We choose the a la carte menu, but they have also a set menu for £75 per person with a minimum of two people. While we awaited for our starter, we were served a complimentary breadstick with a mint yogurt sauce. They were absolutely delicious. After a short wait, our starter arrived. The amaretto sour was really sweet. I was excited to try the calamari. They were well fried and crispy, but they had a slightly pungent taste. I would rate them 6 out of 10. If you want to experience the belly dance, be sure to arrive before 10 p.m. I had so much fun with my cousin, but I was a bit shy to dance in front of everyone. It's definitely an experience worth having if you visit. This door on my right leads to the terrace, which is perfect for enjoying shisha with an amazing view. But you need to book and pay for a table on the terrace to enjoy this. The DJ for the night was Sophia Billerby, who played amazing Afrobeat mixes. She was incredibly talented and kept the energy high all night long. Finally, our main course arrived: beef ribs with mashed potato. Even though it's usually served with sweet potato mash, they kindly swap it for regular mashed potato at our request. Priced at £45, this dish, despite it have only two ribs, is incredibly filling and definitely worth trying. These ribs were perfectly cooked, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The mashed potato complemented the ribs beautifully. I enjoyed this dish so much and I will rate it 10 out of 10. So guys, we just finished our dinner. It's about 1 o'clock now. We had all the food, we had a couple of drinks. So the drinks are like £15 each. The one that I had was amaretto, and she had, what's the drinks that you had? Mojito. And then yeah, we had the calamari, which what do you think about the calamari?
That's not really tasty.
Yeah, it wasn't really tasty, but I really like the beef ribs with the mashed potato. Usually it comes with the sweet potato, but for us they done it special. But yeah, I love the show and the DJ. It was great. It was fun. I had fun. And the total amount that we paid was £190, which is not too bad to be in London for a rooftop restaurant. So yeah, I think I will come back here. What do you think? Would you come back here?
Yes.
So yeah guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next. Bye.